Oh fuck.
It's hard to see him when you're right in front.
Yeah, well,
Bet you guys-
you're in front. It doesn't make it easier.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Yeah, now I can
Bye.
see.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Bullshit.
Whoops.
Chris.
Oh, what the
Hey, I made
fuck?
How? Piece of cake.
Switch the track, switch the track.
Do.
Almost out of ephemerals. Come on, guys. We can't let the Tharpods down.
No.
Stuff that kills.
Electric gun, guys.
Now I can purchase that new vector shell I have been.
I need ammos.
There's ammo just here.
It's on the left.
Like I see that.
You didn't pick any up either, James. Come on, blow up. There we go.
And yeah, and of course I don't get any kills, James. Both you and Sam has fully upgraded ship now.
You should have this weapon upgraded as well.
You can have kills with us.
Hmm.
No.
Like, we
Yeah.
all get the same kills.
Silly, I can't get kills.
Hop in.
I'll hop in.
Too late. Chris!
What I do?
You got me killed.
See? It's blaming me.
Oh shit.
Whoops.
Oh.
I was slowing down. Kinda. I think I'm killing myself though. Ugh. How close can you go?
To about... No. Not to me. Oh, fuck, I'm dead. Revive me!
Okay.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Okay, I so jumped that.
Clearly not. Oh shit. I so jumped that. Guys.
Clearly.
Did I
He's
just
dead.
do this when he's dead?
And yes, you did. And ammo! Double bullets.
So what was that weapon?
What weapon?
Crater strike.
Crater strike.
Yeah.
What does it do?
It just turns them into like animals. It's better against the big, strong enemies that take God knows how long to kill.
It turns him into what?
Like big,
Animals.
giant animals. Not instantly though. Depends on the size of them and shit. This way. Oh wait, no, the switch is here in there. This way. Up here. Yeah. Here we go. Now we can cross the bridge. House cross.
About bloody time.
All systems are operational.
Yeah, let's just charge down.
Okay. No.
Holy crap.
Oh, it's nothing. Watch. Yeah, that's
I
right. I'll
got
pummel you, bitch.
Come on. Come on.
Oh god. I'm trapped. They
Yeah,
got me in
that's
a corner.
ammo.
Guys.
I'm stuck as well. Chris, come back.
I'm back.
Oh. Oh, shit, I'm gonna die. Okay, run forward. Just run forward.
Screw this, man. Just run through it. Run through it.
Quick, destroy this. Circle on this.
Turning this guy into a critter.
You want on it, Chris?
Oh. Come to the dark side. Alright, it's fucking me up. I'm dead.
I'm so gonna die myself.
I need a revive.
I'm trying to get to you, Chris. Slow time.
I'm trying.
Oh, you're dead. And we're all dead.
Oh wow.
We need you to destroy that.
This is
No.
hard.
I
It's
was
not.
on it.
Nah, for some reason it didn't lock onto it. Your vacuum didn't lock onto it, Chris.
No, I couldn't see that.
Yeah, it's good. Everyone just charge down with me.
Everyone, what?
Just charge down.
Can't hear you. Too much explosions.
RPG.
I don't remember which one my RPG was.
Your warmonger.
Yeah, I don't remember what direction it was.
No. It should be on your D-pad.
That's what I mean. I don't remember what direction it is. Huh.
Alright, someone destroy there. Okay, we got it. Now no more enemies should spawn. I got this big one on my own.
That's what you think. Holy shit, look at all those bullets.
What the fuck is that?
That's what the critter strike does.
It turns him into that.
Yeah.
That looks even worse than... Or does he fight for us?
Yeah.
Uh...
I can't see.
Oh, Pumbaa.
Guys, we need to kill everything up this way.
We need to what?
We need to kill everything up that way. These are taking too long to die. Yeah, that's your RPG.
Yeah, I knew that.
Use your critter striker.
It takes forever to work.
Not with both of us doing it.
Ding!
See? Look at how easy that is.
Ding!
See? Easy.
Headwinds!
Alright, now we need to do these switches.
Now we got a pig farm.
Yeah. Free bacon.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna kill us.
Not while I'm around.
Yeah, we kinda, like, you know, need to be here. Yeah, stand behind me. James, can you know, like, kinda move back?
Fine.
Thank you. This way.
Greetings, interlopers. Your friends in the sky informed me that you'd like a word with the Master. I hope you'll permit me to facilitate an introduction.
Who are we fighting against anyway?
Commander Spock.
You'll see soon.
What's this guy doing?
What? The pig?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think he
Went
fell
for
down a
some
hole.
food. Yeah, come on. In we go.
This feels like a trap.
No, of course not. What makes you think that?
Many things.
Why am
Why
I
doesn't he
doing a
just walk us there?
handstand?
Amazing, isn't it? Over 22,000 predators have passed through these walls since Athenis was created. Each one catalogued and studied. It's unfortunate that the Master wishes to use them for such a dark environment. I suppose
Such dark.
Right, by the way, we're all gonna need the reflectors for the boss. Your shield won't work, James, because we actually need to reflect the beam back.
Yeah, but my shield saves me.
Yeah, but we need to reflect his attack back at him.
That's your job.
No, all three of us have to do it.
Oh, what's a thunder smack?
That's...
A mega frost cannon. Whoa.
Yeah, that's quite shit.
Got so many new guns now.
Just pretty much stick to, like, your RPG and that. Your RPG and your electric gun.
Oh, but that's boring.
Yeah, but it's pretty much the only thing that'll do damage.
I got my time gun.
Damn right, it's tiny.
By the way, this is the last level now.
Noob.
Oh!
I got the Vanquisher of Evil. Yeah.
How the fuck did I get noob? Something ain't right here.
Yeah, you died too much.
Hang on, I think there's ammo back up here.
So what's this thing?
Okay.
Oh, shit!
Oh, what? You came through the floor!
Hop in. Go ahead, Ratchet.
Oh. I thought I'd try it.
Ain't gonna work.
Right, leave this to me.
I don't know what this gun does. Whoa. Shoot stars.
It shoots clouds. Shoots flashes. Oh, what?
Ow!
Revive me! Chris, come back! Don't run into it, Chris. Get behind
Didn't do it on
cover.
purpose.
Why did you run to the back of the map?
I
got
can stand
this.
up here. Hey.
Alright, let's go. You got your bolts here.